Talofa from Samoa Entertainment TV. Manot soifua. Na malanga mai mon ko in na le sisinga po le ono sfuta sanga. Yo natulai. Batuna yata ya o tato patan malo. This is Seabreeze Resort. Ole ya upanga ya patan malo. There, just to say hi and hello. Aloha to those that couldn't understand Samoa. We are here, Samoa Entertainment TV, and we'd like to take you for a tour of Seabreeze Resort right here in Samoa, Upanga, Apia. You can check their website, Seabreeze Resort, for all the information, but we'd like to take you around. Ya ole tatuanga ya tulalo wa tu lalo ya pentan malo le ya ole awala le nga ya tulalo oh if you access me for Samoa ya ai o fanga Seabreeze Resort ya ole nga ya le lalo de kapaka bale tanga ya tulalo na ole ya ole le palang le Manono faltua lo anga mai tua ula oi mai Australia. Leonard Patan Malole Seabreeze Resort. Yeah, tanga ya kuna ita so pale you can see all the dwellings, the bungalow, whatever you call them. Ila kalakal sami. And you can see a beautiful swimming pool. Wow. We stayed here a couple of times with my wife. And we love it here. Yeah, let's see, no panga matang of here on the valley in no foy. There the photos just open up, and I can see there's a few tourists here. Yeah, there you go, the swimming pool. So you can have a swim in a swimming pool and then go down and have a swim in the sea. Yeah. Why the manga yole? What about that? Pak Malu, the villa hotel Samone. So nice, manga yo. Excuse my thinker.
So we are.
Yeah, well, I'm going to put tattoo what I lay me put at the line, find my also follow. So you can excuse my fingers. Now and then it pops down. I'm just holding my phone. Yeah, this is a beautiful swimming pool. And there's some step on the other side. We can make a way down to the beach and for a swim in the sea. So good. Wow, look at that. Yeah, a few more tourists. On the other side, it's a restaurant. We're gonna visit. We're gonna go there later on, and just looking down into the ocean, the coconut trees, the sandy beach. So good. White sandy beach. Seabreeze Resort, you can look up all the information on their website or Google Seabreeze, and you can find out all the information, their email. But Samoa Entertainment is here just to show you a video of this place. Let's take a walk down this end. Excuse my fingers popping out again. Wow. And right at the end of this footpath, as there is a place, a very private, uh, way out of everyone, and they built this. I was told that you can see the fence for all the new married couple for the honeymoon. So if you just got married, have your honeymoon, what a place to come to. You will be away from everything else. Yeah, if I pito la le no fanga le ili piko le amole. Mo ngali kwa mo pai poipo ah. So tanga ya tu le pito o. Marka kamela I. Yeah, there is a door. I'm gonna open this door. Just have a glimpse. Yeah, there. So this is where a newly wedded couple will spend their time. So if you're thinking of getting married and have a honeymoon, well, would you like to come here, Seabreeze Resort? You got your own private place, your own private swimming pool or spa pool, whatever you call it. Thank you. Let's go back. So nice, so tidy. And, I was told, I think Seabreeze were champions a few years, and this year again. One of the workers told me that they are champion this year again, and the cleanness, the tidiness, the setup. Oh man, my finger. Come on, man. They are champion again this year, 2022. And you can tell why. Hello? Hello? Some of the workers, and this is the step right in front of me. There are steps going down, and on my way, see them. Hey, hello, once again. Okay, I'm going to go to the restaurant. Okay, yeah. You're on our way out, and more tourists. Making my way down to the restaurant now. I've dined there, me and my wife, for maybe 2 or 3 times. So good, beautiful. Yeah, ole fale lai tu mai o. Len tatu wo yai. There's that little beach down there, and I can see somebody fishing. Like, kamail o lady la la o. Oh, my fingers again. Sorry. Take a finger off, man. Yeah, making my way to the restaurant, saying hello. 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 And this my mate over here. It's been working for here for sometimes now, and they cure for that same thing. Yeah, le Seabreeze Resort. Ele mata mo pie mangaia. Le no fuanga o lo iai le set up so clean. Just looking out on the ocean. Wow, what a place to be. Beautiful, beautiful. in Samoa, Polu, Apia. Seabreeze has been jumping a few years and this year again, I was told. And I think just looking at the video, it's enough evidence there that they deserve to be the best. They deserve to be champion again, 2022. This video is been taken today. Today is the 13th of September 2002. Yeah, my Lord say for. Have a blessed day. God's blessing. My Lord Ngalue. Yeah. Okay, bye. And making my way back. And Marayela wala Kwe ba ilap kamale o ngali palele. And there you go. There's the workers. Malo, yeah. I'm a and one of my mates been here for a long time. Malo lang. Okay, take care. Thanks for that.
Pleasure.
All the best.
Thank you.
There you go. Yeah.
Have a good day.
This is the place to be. Seabreeze at Outfanga. Well, that's from us, Samoa Entertainment TV. Seabreeze from Outfanga. We'll see you again with some more resort. Bye.